用先呢，给好对面讲好车要坐山里天排上嘅，當咩講當菜當都咩講咯，就要做套啲鋁套，套啲呢個水哈將這個水的好薄係點呢多一個好，那 OK 用先呢。Harry，我知道呀，我呢種衝動講。我呢種衝動講只係可能佢睇到呢隻多樣，也俾全我咩講咩樣嘅俾顧嘅係種衝動講因為呢個咗，你通常攞嚟用些當在電力機、房屋，唔同咩講咩樣，或者是或者俾顧摸嘅話係啲偏拉嚟巴咯樣，呀，成巴嘅呢啲攞嚟俾顧摸到邊度佢或者是。Alright, thì có khó ở trên là nó muốn rủ nó đó là trong bộ đi nó tung cụ hành cho ba tê tôi phải làm để sử dụng gạo nam mình chứ nè còn đây nó muốn thì phải cô mua nó đi giờ
cũng theo cái growing up, I wasn't really the best brother, but I seen you grow up to become such a fine lady, and you are so strong. I know that you gone through so many struggles, and I know that mom and dad have pushed you so hard, and I haven't been there for you a lot, but from now on, I want to be here for you and brother, and hope you guys build a really strong and fulfilling life.
我有个歌是嘛，我知道係，就是佢哋我要不同嘅事，就歌其實就都 keep 嘅，OK。即係佢係一套 short story，就歌好 hopefully will be motivation，就歌個 story 呢，只有呢個 story 呢，我個 story 跟住個 story 我講到嘅 idea，OK。就老公人哋冇呢個路嘅。基本上去採訪嘅 first one 嗰啲㗎，OK，個老人也係老人咯，so that is a perfect example of that，OK，so that's more a really high education, but that is a really smart person. 咁呢一個 reason 你 get got that for life to fall apart 咯，OK，就呢個 so don't take life for granted，OK。The reason 佢係咧 with that personality and determination。He could be a PhD student. Because not all time, there was a situation, she's right. They're not allowing him to do that, to pursue the education that he wanted, okay? I will give you an example. Good dad, took it to me in 1996. Good dad, 18 years old. She wanted education background. It was a little hard for him to pursue the education that he wanted to. 1997. Great grandpa passed away. But I believe that your lowest point out for that remain. We got all of that financial situation at the time will put tears in your eyes. The reason I know that because we died to help that through our situation further, so I know the whole story. That's the reason in the situation is not right. That's the fact that we choose to pursue our business route instead of our education route. But that married, mom. Gather all the president, all the auntie to pursue our education around that, okay? That's why good that the need no okay? How to experience good that's the only thing good that regret now, good that remain good that she not time enough to work for as much as he wanted for the grandpa. He went way ahead than all of us expected. Will be everything for him and your grandpa will be here. He made a lot to our cousin. And that's the only thing that I know that your dad regret that your dad took a chance to work everything that your dad put that work out of year because he went earlier than all of us expect, okay? I know your only thing and we put that regret system put that whatever put that for the sport to get to today for you. All the comments that you saw, but get the idea from first one. Because I take my life for granted. Everything is earned, not given. Okay. So that work is like so hard. 有個忙，有個 auto uncle, auto auntie.